Niagara Falls isn't just about the iconic waterfalls. Get ready for an adventure that'll take your breath away. Start with a thrilling Hornblower Niagara cruise, feel the mist, hear the roar, and don't forget your poncho. Next, step into a tropical paradise at the Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory. Thousands of vibrant butterflies fluttering all around you. It's like a scene from a dream. For non-stop fun, head over to Clifton Hill, the street of fun. Arcades, attractions, and epic entertainment await. But wait, there's more. Journey Behind the Falls offers a unique perspective. Walk through tunnels right behind the cascading water. And don't miss the charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake, famous for its wineries and historic sites. Hungry? Try Winekeller for farm-to-table delights paired with local wines, or Queen Victoria Place restaurant for Canadian-inspired dishes with stunning falls views. And where to stay? The Marriott Fallsview Hotel and Spa offers luxurious accommodations with breathtaking views, or cozy up in an Airbnb in scenic Niagara-on-the-Lake. Niagara Falls is calling. Are you ready to answer?